Yeah.
Then, why are you videoing me? And then we just did a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah.
You helped me with the songs, Jaden, and you helped me with the water. We got
You're
down
a real
to the boat.
natural there.
Probably so off.
I love it. It's like without a mirror, up, 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 down, up, down.
Is it good?
It's awesome.
Thanks. Wait, Elton John, can I use your camera as a mirror?
Sure,
And just so you know, I think you have a bit of jam right here.
Let's go there, right?
Like
this
no
way.
other side. This, if it feels. That's funny.
Oh my goodness, Jaden.
Wave us down when you see us going like. We haven't had a lot of lake experience, kind of like a rookie that's never been to a training.
Rookie mistake, boy.
Oh, hey, sis. Hey there, mate. We got some fresh scrambled eggs up in this joint. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Now, this is what I call some coagulation of the amino acid... No, wait. Of the Never mind. Protein. Gotta get the axe for the fans. Wait. He's out. Shout out to that special wasp.
At least he's gone, boys.
Oh, y'all, look at that moon go.
They start playing, you know?
I don't know.
He said, no, they're all at the funeral.
Oh. Whoa. Looks really cool on my camera.
It's 20.
Yes, mate. Hips up a bit. Just a quick little
71,
midnight dip.
72, 73. Find the skis, nowhere to be found.
Oh my.
And then we're like, hey, that life jacket looks familiar. Pull up this one bolt. Here's our life jacket that we had thrown over.
Yeah.
We're like, excuse, any chance we could maybe get that life jacket back? And whether or not they picked up the ski too, I don't know, but they lost the ski.
Really? Yeah. They give you the life jacket back?
Yeah.
We said, have you seen a yellow light that was just hanging on the
Yeah.
rack? Okay. I had a ski. Oh, we didn't see the ski. No ski. We didn't see the ski.
Oh.
Throw the life jacket for a marker. You just let that float there for a few minutes.
Absolutely.
We come and pick it
Well, and usually you can see, right? But I
Yeah.
tell you, some people are, I swear, are oblivious, you know? How many times you'll get 9 out of 10 people understand. And all of a sudden you'll be sitting there, your boat's pointed, the rope's getting tight, you're in the water, and somebody goes right in front of you. And you're like,
I know.
you know?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.